Click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Select the payments option under the product settings section and choose on adaptive pricing option. On this page, switch on the toggle of the enable adaptive pricing. And just like that, now your Stripe checkout page can have a multiple currency, the currency that you have determined before, and also the currency according to your customer location. For example, this is my product, a dog walker with the default price of 120 bucks. And when my customer that live in the United Kingdom open it, there will be an option of their own currency between the basic price in US or the currency in the GBP or pound sterling. So the currency will be automatically converted according to your customer or client places. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.